You can search for anything on Google and get a bunch of search results that will be useful to you, right? But is that the only thing Google can do? Guys, in today's video, I'll show you how such a platform can actually get you paid with ease and for free. You should definitely stay until the end of this video and pay close attention to each second so you won't get confused. So if you really want to set this up properly and if you really want to make it work, then you must follow and watch every second of this tutorial. And make sure you tap on the like button until it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm, and if you are new here, make sure you tap on the red subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so I'll be sending you a notification whenever I have a brand new strategy to earn money online, so you'll be one of the first persons around the world to use it and make the most of it. And with that being said, let's jump into my laptop. So Google will be the main platform today. So as the first step, you have to come over to Google and search for Google Skillshop, or else you can type skillshop.withgoogle.com. Skillshop is where Google's official platform that allows you to grab various courses that will teach you various skills for completely free. Master the Google tools you use at work with free online training. Develop skills you can apply right away with e-learning courses designed by Google product experts. Learn at your own pace and get Google product certified. Guys, the best part is you get a certificate when you complete one of these courses, okay? So these are the free online product trainings and certifications for you. By learning about Google Ads, you can grow your skills using Google Ads to advertise your business online and get Google Ads certified. Google Marketing Platform, you can discover how Google Marketing Platform can help you plan, execute, and measure your ad campaigns. And Analytics Academy, when you do this course, you can learn Google's measurement tools to help grow your business through intelligent data collection and analysis. And also you have Google My Business, Ad Manager, Ad Mob, Authorized Buyers, and Ways. So you have to get a certificate on any of these courses for free. This will pay you off, guys, I promise you. So let's see some courses. You have to go to get certified over here. And let's see Google Ad. There are some Google Ad courses over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 courses. Google Marketing Platform, you got like it's 5 courses. 1 Google Analytics course and a Waze course as well. Let's see some Google Ads courses. Guys, see these courses. This Google Ads display certification course is 2.6 hours long, and you can see the durations differ. Shopping Ads certification course is 3.1 hours long. This is 2.8 hours long. This is 4 hours long. Remember guys, you just have to watch a course just once, and that's it. You'll now have that Google certificate forever, and you'll also get some valuable knowledge for yourself by these courses, guys. And as I told you earlier, this will pay off, guys. People all around the world are willing to pay a lot of money for Google ad experts, and I'll be revealing you two platforms where you can find your customers. And the first platform is peopleperhour.com. It's already peopleperhour.com. This is a website where you can come to work as a freelancer or pay a freelancer. Now obviously we are here to make money, so we'll be working as freelancers. By the way guys, here's the thing that I love about this site. However, in comparison to Fiverr, on People Per Hour you can find people who are offering to pay you for a certain job. Whereas on Fiverr you have to create a gig and wait for the customers to come to you. So click on sign up button over here, and I guess all of you can do these kind of simple forms, right? I'm not taking your time filling those forms. So once you're done, you need to go to search over here and search projects. So here you have to search for a job. The type of job you will search for depends on the course you completed on Google Skillshop. Let's say that you have completed a course related to Google Ads. Go over here and search for Google Ads. And now you'll see the people who are offering hundreds of dollars. And not only do you have a certificate as a Google Ads expert, but thanks to Google courses, you will know exactly how it all works and what to do. This of course means you'll be able to make a lot of money, guys. And see the amounts they pay, guys. They pay hundreds of dollars. See this one, Google Ads PPC expert, 3 months contract, full time. They need you ASAP. and they pay you how much? $13,800. $13,800 for 3 months will be like more than $4,500 per month, right? So you can go through this, learn from Skillshop, and send these people your proposals. Guys, while you do invest a tiny bit of time into learning a few things here and there, that knowledge is immensely valuable online and can end up earning you a ton of money. And guys, also you can create a gig on people per hour or else on Fiverr, but that will be kind of slow way to get customers. Okay, in that case, once you get a few reviews, it will be easier for you. And guys, before I show you the second platform where you can find customers, I really hope you are getting value out of this video. If so, like this video, leave a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already, do myself a favor by hitting the red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that I'll be sending you a notification whenever I have a brand new strategy to make money online. And the next platform is freelancer.com. So here also you can go over here and sign up and create a free account. I know you can do these kind of simple things, right? So when you're done, click on browse jobs over here, and here you have to search for the job type that, as I said, depends on the type of your course. So let's type Google Ads. See guys, how many people are offering hundreds of dollars for a Google Ads expert. Guys, there are so many offers here. It's virtually guaranteed that someone will accept your offer, and when that happens, you'll be able to earn hundreds of dollars. So guys, keep on sending bids to these clients. See this one, $3,028, the average bid. So guys, go to Skillshop, learn something, come sell what you learned over here and make money from home. Hope you guys really enjoyed the video and got a value out of this video. Share this with your mates, like it, subscribe. Thanks for watching.